go to school
Oh,
today.
you go to school today, so it's not yet your vacation or summer. So when is your vacation or summer?
Uh, I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. All right, okay, it's okay. Okay, so now the cat. Before we continue, teacher would like to say sorry if teacher's voice is kind of different right now because I have a clogged nose with my cold. That's why my voice is a little bit different. So, if you have any questions, clarifications, or if you cannot understand teacher very well, just let me know, okay? Because I am
Okay.
having a hard time to speak because of my nose. It's very, very clogged right now. I don't know what happened. Actually, I was okay lately, and not until now. It's getting worse. So now, baby, are you ready to start with our class?
Yes, I
Okay,
am.
so I will be sharing the screen and just wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Naligid pag hello na to. All right, so can you see the screen right now?
Yes, I see.
Okay, so now as you can see, we have here the lesson 7, which is the writing. You can use a mind map to plan your writing, think, and add more words. So how to start a story. So now we can start it with where, when, whether, and who. Okay, so now as you can see, we have where, shopping center, park. When, last week on Saturday. Whether it's sunny or a windy. Who, parents and or either friends. So now, baby, what you're going to do here is you are just going to first choose words from your mind map for the boxes. Then write was or where on the line. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I ready.
Okay, and you can start now. Ayun lang sayang. Hayang na. Ito lang nga salita niya nga pagdako na bitaw niya. Yesterday, I was in the town with my brother. It was
Uh,
a nice day. Is it sunny day or wet day? Or do you want to choose the nice one? Okay, you can make your own.
uh,
Wala na siya kanina nilang butang ani. Pamubo lang nga gamay. Okay, first we were at the
I'm think.
okay, okay. Iyoko gamay lang sa cellphone. Okay, diya per diya. Okay, while you are thinking, let me excuse for a while. I will just get some water and I will be back really, really soon. Really, in just few seconds. Okay. So while you are answering this one, okay, baby?
Okay.
Okay, okay.
When
Where at the? Okay, park. We were at the park. Okay, next. Suddenly, there was a loud noise. The loud thing was in the back. So what do you think is in the box, baby? Do you have any idea what's in the box?
uh
You can just guess whatever is on the box. A poo poo? How can be a loud one? It's only a poo poo. All right, okay. So now, baby, they can you please read this one? Can you please read it? Yesterday. Okay, can you read your story?
Yesterday I was in town with my brother. It was a nice day. First we were at the community hall,
Uh-huh.
and after that we were at the park.
Uh-huh.
Suddenly we was a loud noise. The loud noise
The loud
thing
thing.
was in the box.
All right, the loud thing was in the back. So it's a poo poo. Okay, so thank you so much for that one, baby. They can. So now let's have a look because we are done with this. Oh, wait. Oh, so we were done with this one. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice it. Okay, so let's have the Safari advantage, okay? Oh,
Okay,
wait, not yet with the Safari one because just wait. Let me try to check this one first. Can you wait for teacher? Oh,
okay.
so you're going to have this instead because we are done about the sum and the number 22 bus. Yes, we already read about sum and the number 22 bus, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now we are going to have this. So look at the pictures, clues, and write the sentences. So look at this one, and then write the sentences here in the box. Okay? Wait lang. All right. Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. You can start now. Uh huh. Okay. Very good. Some time. Three, see, two, see. We're number two. Three, see, two, see. What's that? A family picture? I don't understand this one very well. Wait. 3C, 2C, and then To be sometimes family. To be three be family on the 3A on family on the 3A family on the bus, not sometimes. Family on the bus, one C are happy. Family on the bus are happy. Why you have the word sometimes? Where did you get the word sometimes? Where did you get the word sometimes, baby? They can.
Is in there.
Oh, why sometimes? That's family. 3C. Oh yeah, the here in the side. Oh, I did not notice. Sorry. Family sometimes on the bus are happy. On the bus are happy. You just do the writing it. Okay, how about number three? The family all right. The family on the bus like 3B. Okay, the to see family to be on 3E to be 3B on the 3A bus 4A like 4C. So what's on the 4C? Like to drive? Oh no. What's that? What's on the hot? The family on the bus like the driver? Oh, maybe like the driver, maybe. Like drive, like the driver, like him. Like him. All right, how about number four? Maybe they like the driver because the driver is so cute or maybe very kind. That's why they like the driver. Okay, that's okay. All right, so let's proceed on the number four. Ngayon na oray po ni dire. time, family, forget, town, forget. Why did you just draw it instead of write it? Forget umbrella on. Okay. On the. Draw the bus. Draw the bus. Oh, we already have the bus. All right. Okay, so well done, well done. Oh, why there is Oh, so how about you, Dekan? Does your bus has a two floors? Like this one here in the picture, I guess it has two floors in it. Does your bus also have two floors? Or
Uh,
only
n-
one?
Only one.
Ah, only one. All right. Okay. So now, Dekan, thank you. Thank you so much for this one. And thank you so much for answering everything correctly, even though we don't know some words on it. But instead of writing it, you just draw it on the screen. Okay. So now let's proceed. Draw lines to show the route on the number 22 bus. Okay, are you still familiar with the story?
Uh, okay.
Do you still remember the story, baby?
I think is
Or
I
do
don't
you
know.
want do you want me to play it again?
I want to play it again.
Okay, okay, wait. Wait. Okay, so I will be playing again and just listen, okay? And also you can write here in the screen so that you have a hint on where they go and where are they going, okay? You can also write here on the screen, maybe.
Track 1.32.
Okay.
Reading time 2. Activity 1. Sam and the number 22 bus.
Sam Johnson drives the number 22 bus in London. It's a beautiful red bus with a ground floor and stairs up to the top floor. Sam is short and slim with a happy face.
Okay, you can
He's
write it
got
where
a
they
lot of
go.
friends on his bus. Some people travel on his bus every day, and they always talk about the weather. Beautiful sunny day today, Sam. Or cold and rainy today, Sam. Or don't you like the snow, Sam? They also talk to him about their families. Sometimes they're happy and sometimes they're sad. Sam listens to everyone. He laughs when they're happy and says, "Oh dear," when they're sad. He's friendly and patient.
Do you still want to
The
continue the
people
story
on
or
his
you're
bus
just going to
are
write it
his
directly or
friends.
answer directly?
The number
Okay.
22 bus
Do you want to
stops at
continue
lots of places.
I want to.
Some
to
people go
answer?
to work on the
Yes. Yes.
bus.
Okay. So okay. Here. You can draw a line to show the route on the number 22 bus. Do you remember it, or do you want to try to look back again? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Choo, 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 choo. You can do it like this, baby, instead. Wait, wait. Let me show you. Can you erase for a while? In the story, it says like that. You can also like this. If where they go first from the last one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay. Again, sorry about my voice. I really, really have a clogged nose right now. Oh, why there are a lot of lines? No, no, baby. Look at this one, baby. Look at this one first. As you can see, um, okay, can I erase it for a while? Okay, so as you can see, the bus number 22 bus stops, a lot of places. Some people go to work on the bus, others go to bank, work, bank, library. So you can do like this instead. Where was that? Work, bank, then library, then swimming pool, then the next one is hospital, then cinema, then train station, something like that. But it's already okay, Deacon. I know you already knew this one, so we can just continue with the play two, okay? So as you
Okay.
can see, we have here talk about the pictures. What do you think happens? So baby, regarding with the story, what do you think happens? Can you at least summarize the story for me?
Is have one girl is I remember is like
Uh-huh.
is uh is
All right.
have
Oh, uh-huh.
girl Ella have have the back girl Ella and the girl Ella is lost the bag.
All right. Is it a bag or umbrella? Who left the umbrella? Is there a story about umbrella on it or no?
The girl is name is Ella. Ella.
Okay, very good. So what's the name of the bag?
I don't remember.
So the name of the bus is the number 22 bus. They always say it's number 22 bus. But it was called Westminster 22. So that's why they call it number 22 bus. Okay, so now baby, listen and read where do the children to go. So what do they find?
Track 1.33. Play 2. Activity 2. The outing.
Aunt Daisy, can we go to the cinema?
And then, can we go to the cafe?
Yes, but let's clean the house first.
Flo, you can dust. Okay. Can you help me? Yes. We can dust and Luke can sweep the floor.
What about you, Charlie?
I can tidy up the toys. Look, there's a coin on the table.
And there's one under the sofa.
And here. And here.
My house wasn't very clean. Thank you, children.
And look, Aunt Daisy, lots of coins.
Coins for popcorn and ice cream.
Hooray! Let's go to the cinema. And then to the cafe too.
Thank you, Aunt Daisy.
Track
Okay.
1.33.
Okay, so now
Play
we
2.
have here the title of outing. So, oh, sorry, I missed Luke about this one. Sorry, my mind is not so good right now because of the cold. So we are going to talk about the pictures. What do you think happens? So it means this one. So baby, what do you think happens on the picture? We have here on the story is all about this. These are just the same. So what do you think happens on the picture?
Uh, Children want to go to the cinema and the cafe,
Uh-huh. And then?
and Aunt Daisy is shocked. They clean the house
Uh-huh.
first,
Okay.
and when they clean the house, they are have a lot of coins
Uh-huh.
under the chair, the table, and many things
All right. Okay,
to
so
to
what are they going to buy with the coins?
buy popcorn and ice cream.
All right. So where are they going? Where are
They
they going?
going to the cinema and the cafe.
All right. Okay. So now, baby, they can. I want you to read this one. Oh, do you still want to read this or not anymore?
Yes,
Okay. So please start with here, continue, and then here, and the last one. Ready?
yes, they're ready.
Okay. And you can start now.
Aunt Daisy, can we go to the cinema? And then can we go to the cafe? Yes, but let's clean the house first.
Mm-hmm.
Look, you can this. Okay, can you help me? Yes, we can this and Luke can sweep the floor.
Uh-huh.
What about you, Short? I can tidy up the toys.
Okay.
Look, the coins on the table, and there are one under the
Under.
sofa.
Uh-huh.
And here, and here.
Okay.
My house wasn't very clean. Thank you, Jared. Thank and look, Aunt Daisy, lots of coins. Coins for popcorn and ice cream.
Uh-huh.
Hooray! Let's go to the cinema and then go to the cafe too. Thank you, Aunt Daisy.
All right, so now they can. How about you? Do you also kinda help someone's house, maybe your parents' house, your aunt's house, so that they're going to give you some coins so that you can buy something you want? Have you ever also tried that one?
No.
Oh no. So your parents just give you money. Or maybe for example in the house, in your house. Does there any time that you help your mom wash the dishes or something and then they give you money?
No.
Oh no. Oh, so they just give you if you want to ask some money.
I don't remember.
Oh, so your mom doesn't give you money?
No.
Oh, but they give you money for school.
I eat at home.
So how about your snacks and your
Uh,
lunch?
Lunch. My school is don't have canteen.
Oh, so your school didn't have canteen, so you just bring your own
Uh,
food.
because my canteen is closed.
Oh, I see. So you do not need to bring
I
money and then
don't
for
know why it's
uh-huh.
closed.
Oh. So how about your
I
lunch?
don't know why it's closed.
You just bring some food from house for your lunch? Oh, so you
Yes,
do not
yes.
Oh, I see. All right, okay. Okay, so now let's continue with this one. So we have here the safari adventure. So as you can see, there are two people, I mean five. So the boy said, "Yummy, I like pasta salad. Be careful, Shirley." So how about you, Kat? Do you like pasta salad?
Yes, I do.
Oh, all right. I don't know what's the taste of pasta salad. So when was the last time you eat pasta salad?
I think is last week.
Oh, last week. Wow. All right. So now, can you tell me what can you see on the plate? Or I mean on the table. Or what do you see on the table?
Uh, I see.
Okay, what do you
I
see on the
see
table, baby?
the pizza,
Uh-huh.
soup,
Uh-huh.
cake, uh, biscuits,
Uh-huh.
cup, bananas, uh, cakes,
Uh-huh.
cheese, apple, bread,
All right. I guess that's all. Okay.
tea,
They're still here, but I don't know what's the. Oh, sorry, sorry. All right. So we also
and
have a tea. What's that? The one on the green one, the one that you circled last. Do you know
vegetable.
what is that?
Vegetable
Oh, yes, it's a vegetables. Okay, what's on this hand? This one, the girl. What's on her hand?
is a nut.
Oh, no, no, no. This one right here. The girl here. Oh, sorry, sorry. This one.
Uh,
It
is
is
a
a.
lemon. Is a lemon juice.
All right, lemon juice. Okay, so now teacher is going to play another audio. First, you need to listen. Then after that one, it says point, but you cannot point. Just circle it and say the word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Track 1.34. Unit 4. Lesson 1. Activity 1. Soup. Sandwich.
Sandwich.
Tea.
Tea.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Plate.
You put a smile in it.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Pasta.
Pasta.
Cup.
Cup.
Salad.
Salad.
Bottle.
Bottle. All right, so now they can again. I need you to say the word, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Track 1.34.
Soup,
Unit 4.
sandwich, tea,
Lesson 1.
plates,
Uh-huh.
biscuit,
Uh-huh.
pasta, cups, salads, bottle.
All right, very good. Okay, so now listen and play the game. Say the word before or after, okay? I need you to say why. You
Okay.
don't like that? You don't like pasta?
Track
I
1.35.
draw
Unit
the
4.
What are you
Lesson
drawing?
1.
I
Activity
draw
2.
Oh,
face.
I thought
Tea.
you drew that you don't like the pasta.
Before cheese, after sandwich.
Pasta.
Before cup, after biscuit.
Now you.
Okay, your turn.
1. Sandwich.
Sandwich. So what's before and after sandwich?
2.
Oh, you did not
Cheese.
answer it, baby. I need you to answer it. So, for example,
Uh,
when the speaker said sandwich, you are going to say before tea, after the sandwich. Okay? So, for example, cup before salad, after the pasta. Okay? Okay, they
okay.
can. Okay, so first, one, cheese. Cheese, they can. Cheese.
Cheese, cheese.
Okay, what's before and after?
Uh, before is tea, after sandwich.
No, it's the cheese.
Cheese and sandwich.
So before the plate, after the tea. Okay, so next. Pasta.
Is plates and biscuit.
Pasta. What's
Pa-
before the pasta? It's the,
Before pasta is the cups.
and after the pasta, no. Before the biscuit, then after the, no. I got, okay, good. The pasta before the cup, after the biscuit. Okay, again. How about salad?
Salads
Before
before
the,
or after.
yes,
Before or after.
yes.
Before is cups. After
Bottle.
is bottle.
All right, okay. So now maybe write the new words in your notebook, but you didn't have the notebook. You just need to remember this one. So we have the food, sandwiches, drink, tea, tableware is the plate. Okay, so now let's have the sing the song. Be a star. So teacher is going to play this one. So I want you to listen, okay?
Okay.
Track
And you can also sing if
1.36.
you want.
Unit 4.
I'm so sorry about my
Lesson
note. It's
1.
really clogged.
Activity 5. Safari Adventure.
We're off, we're off, we're off, we're off on safari. Pack the soup, pack the cheese, pack the biscuits too. A safari adventure is waiting for me and you. We're off, we're off, we're off, we're off on safari. Bring the plates, bring the cups, bring the bottles too. A safari adventure is waiting for me and you. We're off, we're off, we're off, we're off on safari. Come on, Luke, Ella, Flo, and little Charlie too. A safari adventure is waiting for me and you. We're off, we're off, we're off, we're off on safari.
Alright, we have here the safari adventure. So they pack the
Track
soup, pack the cheese,
1.36.
pack the
Unit
wait,
4.
pack the biscuits too. So they are going to the safari adventure. So who is with them when they go to the safari? They are with who's with them, baby Doikan?
They are